Good morning students. As in previous video, I completed the chapter My Childhood in which you have studied about the autobiography of APJ Abdul Kalam. Today we will discuss over the questions that are given in the exercise. Students, if you have studied well and if you have revised the lesson, there would be no problem to solve the questions given in the exercise. Now students, open your book all of you and see the question and let's discuss. Answer these questions in one or two sentences each. It is short answer type question. Where was Abdul Kalam's house? In the beginning you have studied. Where his house was? You have to search there. You have studied that his house was on the Mosque Street in Rameswaram. Very easy question is there, no problem. Second question, what do you think Dinamani is name of? I have told you that Dinamani was the name of newspaper. Give a reason for your answer. You have studied how APJ Abdul Kalam was searching the headlines about the war in Dinamani newspaper. You have studied this. Who were Abdul Kalam's school friends? I have told that there were three friends. Their names you should mention there. What did they later become? What jobs they were doing? You have to mention. Answer is given in your book. You search and write down about it. Third question, who were Abdul Kalam's school friends? What did they later become? It is completed. How did Abdul Kalam earn his first wages? Students, you have studied how Abdul Kalam had helped his cousin Shamsuddin while the newspapers were thrown from the moving train. So then he was helping to his cousin, and by distributing the newspaper he earned the first wages. Fifth question, had he earned any money before that? In what way? Before the distributing newspapers and earning the first wages, you have studied how he had got money. While the Second World War broke out, he was collecting tamarind seeds and he was selling to those seeds of tamarind in the Mosque Street there. Answer each of these questions. Second part, answer each of these questions in a short paragraph about 30 words. 30 words answer you have to give. How does the author describe his father, his mother, his and himself? How his parents were there. In the beginning we have studied how his father was, how his mother was, how he himself was. Total description you have to give in 30 words separately. And second question, what characteristics does he say he inherited from his parents? I have told you many qualities he had got, just like honesty, honesty and self-controlled, how he was. You see in the book given, he had got these two qualities from his father. Here given, I inherited honesty and self-discipline. Self-discipline, honesty and self-discipline he had got from his father, and goodness as well as kindness. Faith in goodness and kindness, these two qualities he had got from his mother. If you search in your book, all things are given and you can write it easily. What characteristics does he say he inherited from his parents, from his mother and from his father? What qualities he had got? You should write this. Third part, discuss these questions in class with your teacher and then write down your answer in 2 or 3 paragraphs each. Long answer type questions are given. On the whole, the small society of Rameswaram was very rich. You have studied the social groups that were based on where the difference was based on caste, creed, religion. You have studied this. In which social groups does he mention? The social groups that was based on religion, based on faith, based on caste, and were these groups easily identifiable? For example, by the way they dressed. Yes, it was identifiable, as the Muslims were wearing caps on their head, just like APJ Abdul Kalam was wearing, and the second says that Brahmin boy was wearing, just like the son of the priest, the friend of APJ Abdul Kalam, he was wearing. Ramnath Shastri. Second, were they aware only of their differences, or did they also naturally share friendship and experiences? Think of the bedtime stories in Kalam's house, of who his friends were and of what used to take place in the pond near his house. In the story we have studied, they knew the differences. Even then, they were experiencing friendship. As APJ Abdul Kalam had 3 friends, those 3 were Brahmins. Even then, they had never felt about the discrimination based on their religion. And we have also studied how during bedtime when they were going to sleep, how the mother and grandmother of APJ Abdul Kalam were telling the story related to Ramayana and the life of Prophet. You have studied. Another example also will give how the family of APJ Abdul Kalam managed a boat to keep the idol of Lord to take to the place of marriage site. You have studied information all these. Second part, were they aware only of their differences? This I have told. Third one, the author speaks both of people who were very aware of the differences among them and those who tried to bridge these differences. Can you identify such people in the text? The author speaks both of the people who were very aware of the differences among them and those who tried to bridge differences. 2 types of persons were there. On the one hand, they were orthodox, just like the wife of science teacher, and the teacher who were teaching APJ Abdul Kalam, who were Brahmins, they were orthodox. Even then, the science teacher did not want to separate the people on the basis of their religion. You have studied this. So both you have to mention there in answer. Narrate 2 incidents that show how differences can be created. The 2 incidents, just like the new teacher had come, who was a Brahmin, and while he was teaching, he saw that APJ Abdul Kalam was sitting beside Ramnath Shastri, who was a Brahmin, and the teacher ordered him to sit on the back bench. Another example you can give, when the science teacher had invited APJ Abdul Kalam for dinner, and APJ Abdul Kalam had gone, then he saw that the wife of that teacher was not willing to serve food in the kitchen. You can mention these 2. Narrate 2 incidents that show how differences can be created and also how they can be resolved. How they can be resolved? Give the example that for the first time when the wife of science teacher was not ready to serve the food for APJ Abdul Kalam in her kitchen, but the second time when he had gone, he saw that the science teacher had convinced his wife and she had changed her idea of such type of discrimination based on religion, and she had served food to APJ Abdul Kalam. How did Abdul Kalam want to leave? Why did Abdul Kalam want to leave Rameswaram? You have studied. Abdul Kalam wanted to leave Rameswaram to study on the headquarters of the state. Next, what did his father say to this? His father said that he should go to study, and he gave the example of seagull, a seabird, that how she flies across the sea. What do you think his words mean? Why do you think he spoke those words? He means to think. What do you think his words mean? His words mean to give encouragement to the people, to the children, that they should stand on their own. They should go. They should have courage. They should face challenge. They should face problem. What do you think he spoke those words? Why do you think he spoke those words to make APJ Abdul Kalam strong, so that he may stand on his own, and so that he could face the challenges, face the problems, hindrances of life. So students, you have to solve first, second and third part all questions in your copy. You have to write in your notebook these questions and answers, and you will submit to me. You will send your homework to me on Tuesday, not on Monday. Monday you will get this one. You will send me on Tuesday. Thank you.